Hello, in front of me I've got VANTRUE NEXUS 4 Pro. In this video I'll show you device preview. In the beginning, let's take a look at the top of your dashcam. Right here we've got the front camera, holder attachment place, and rear camera. At the bottom we can find IR LED light, menu Wi-Fi button, voice button, camera switch button, and sleep button. Also, using those buttons you can go to menu, navigate through menu, and record emergency video. Here you can find serial number, and here is the microphone. Right here we've got screen display and cabin camera. At the top you can find charging port for rear camera. Take a look right here. This is the power button, and if you remove it you can find here reset button and memory card slot. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.